Do you know what? Most of people I always see reels, I always go to YouTube, I always find some videos on Instagram that freaks me out all the time. Tons of content is there. People teaching you how to translate Hindi to English, like should have, could have, used to, and so called difficult sentences and vocabulary is different between this and that. But my question to you or to them is, does it work? Does it really work? Does it work in your day to day conversation? Does it make you fluent? सीखा आपने इससे कभी कुछ? इससे आपको बहुत मदद मिल गई है? आप बहुत अच्छे फ्लुएंट हो गए हो? क्या आपकी जॉब में प्रमोशन हो गई जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ डूइंग दिस ट्रांसलेशन स्टफ? None of them works. None of them works, to be very loud myself. Let me tell you one thing. If you don't immerse yourself, you understand what is immersion means? Put yourself in a zone where you listen to English and read English. I know in India it is not possible. Your neighbor, your friend circle, nobody is speaking English. None of them, hardly somebody's. Especially we are in a location where nobody is there to speak in English with us, so we don't practice well. So what we can do in this situation, we can immerse ourselves. We have internet, we have mobile phone, we have YouTube videos, we can go watch cartoons, we can watch comprehensible input, the input that we can understand, our mind can understand. I have been repeating this for so long. You can't speak English if you don't understand the input. Don't go for those so-called stuff that is not going to work in your life, the so-called translation, so-called word meaning, cramming vocabularies. None of them are going to work in your life. How did I learn English? When I joined my classes where all these stuff were taught, like translation, vocabulary, grammar, I didn't acquire a single thing. I just learned how to correct the error. But when you go to any company, when you have to introduce yourself in front of people, you're not there to correct anybody. You're not a machine that is going to correct an error. I mean, Chat GPT is there, Claude is there, there are a lot of AI tools who can easily correct you, right? What you have to do, you have to practice your spoken English. And in spoken English, I'm telling you, be very honest, nothing is going to work. Your translation, your grammar, your vocabularies, you all acquire naturally if you immerse your environment, if you immerse yourself, put yourself in that zone. अपने आप को इस जोन में अगर डाल दोगे ना कि every day I have to practice 1 hour English, whether it's reading or it's listening, आप अपने आप अंग्रेजी सीख जाओगे. Look, people are just distracting you. People are just putting barrier around you. They want to make money. They are not concerned about you. कौन हो तुम? They don't care about you. You yourself have to care about you, right? You have to take the initiative. You have to start reading. You have to start listening every day. And to be honest, I have seen people, I have a lot of examples, a lot of my friends learned English just by doing this, and they are highly fluent. I mean, of course, if you learn grammar, you'll be able to correct things up, but you are not here a correcting machine. You're not going to find error. While people are going to say, no, यहाँ third form of the verb आनी चाहिए था, आपने तो first form लगा दिया. कोई बोलता है ऐसे जब आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? नहीं. They just try to understand you, what you mean to say. You got me, right? भैया तो मेरी बात मानो. Just stay away from these people, so-called gurus and teachers on YouTube, right? If you want to speak English, listen, read, immerse yourself in the environment. It doesn't matter people are talking to you in English or not, but yourself, you have to put yourself in that zone. Go, read, listen every day. Find those input. If you don't find, text me, comment down that please provide me those input. I need it badly. I'm there to help you, right? I'm not going to charge any money or something, right? I'm not here to earn money. I'm here to share my views. How did I learn English? That's why I try to I want you to avoid those people. Just avoid them. Don't get their videos on your feeds, right? I hope you understood. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for watching.